Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to move XDC from Uphold to Ledger in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Uphold and want to boost your security by transferring it to a hardware wallet like Ledger, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so let's dive in. First, ensure your Ledger device is fully set up and updated. Connect it to your computer and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have the XDC app installed, head to the Manager section in Ledger Live, search for XDC, and install it. This is crucial because XDC runs on the XDC blockchain, and your Ledger needs to support it. Next, log into your Uphold account and navigate to your XDC wallet. Look for the Withdraw or Send option, it's usually straightforward. Before you proceed, you need your Ledger wallet address. On your Ledger device, open the XDC app, then in Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab. If it's not there, add a new XDC account and copy the wallet address displayed on your screen. Now, paste that address into the withdrawal form on Uphold. Double-check it for accuracy to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, review the network fees, and confirm the transaction. Uphold might require two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. Once you've initiated the transfer, keep an eye on your Uphold dashboard for confirmation. Transactions on the XDC network are typically fast, but it could take a few minutes depending on network congestion. After it's done, open the XDC app on your Ledger device and verify that the funds have arrived in Ledger Live. Remember, security is key in crypto. Always use a secure connection, enable 2FA on both platforms, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.